Ekam is the only temple in the world dedicated to the worship of Hiranyagarbha as extolled in the Rig Veda. Namaste. Let me talk to you about a few of the many mystic secrets of Ekam Kshetra, the oneness field today. Ekam Kshetra is the divine playfield where grace overpowers fate. Here, problems give way for the birth of an extraordinary destiny. Most people know that Ekam means one. Some know that Ekam means oneness. But we named this divine Kshetra after a revelation happened to Preetaji. The word Ekam refers to the highest state of non-dual consciousness that can be experienced while in the human body. Do you know why we call Ekam a Kshetra? Because the special power in this land called us. It had waited for centuries to hold Ekam. Ekam Kshetra is one of the 3 sacred spaces on earth that has the most extraordinary grid lines conducive to draw infinite cosmic energies into it. That is why it is a field, a Kshetra, and not an ordinary piece of land. Ekam is the only temple in the world dedicated to the worship of Hiranyagarbha as extolled in the Rig Veda. Hiranyagarbha is the primordial form of the divine, in which matter and consciousness, space and time all coexisted before creation emerged from it, where one became the many as we see the universe today. It is from the Hiranyagarbha that every other form of the divine emerged. Ekam is constructed based on the design of an 800-year-old revelation. It is built as a 3-dimensional Surya Yantra. Every morning when the first rays of the sun touch the Amrita Kalasha of Ekam, every inch of the sacred ground gets charged with celestial energy. Here you receive 3 blessings. At Ekam, you have a direct experience of the divine in the form you worship emerging from the Hiranyagarbha. You connect to your personal divine and experience intuition when it comes to the important decisions of your life. When you stay for 3 days or more at Ekam Kshetra and go through the upasanas and siddhis, you dissolve obstacles on your path. The path to manifesting your sincere and heartfelt intentions gets cleared. When you go through the prana upasanas at Ekam Kshetra, your kundalini rises and you experience surreal peace. You experience beautiful states of consciousness. When this period of seclusion is over and you're free to travel, make sure you make it to Ekam Kshetra, the oneness field, to spend a few days in this divine power place. It will be the best start to a beautiful life.
हिरण्यगर्भः समवर्तताग्रे भूतस्य जातः पतिरेक आसीत् सदा धारपृथिवीन्द्यामुते मां कस्मै देवाय हविषा विधेम।